Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful lace doily pattern. I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and 3-ply yarn. First of all, we would make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we would start making chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring of chain. Now we would work into this ring of chain. To start the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring, draw a loop, pull the yarn through 2 first and then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now make another double crochet stitch into this ring, which is double crochet 4 including first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 5 and in this way we would make total of 16 double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have made 16 double crochet stitches including first 3 chains. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. First round is completed. For the second round, make 3 chains. Then into the same chain 3 where we have made slip stitch, we would make a double crochet stitch. Then into the next double crochet stitch. After chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then into the next stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way we would make 2 double crochet stitches in each of stitch of first round. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. To start the third one, make 3 chains. This is our simple stitch and the stitch after chain 3 is our increasing stitch. In this stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next stitch make simple 1 double crochet stitch and into the next one we would make double crochet stitch again. Now into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and in this way we would make 1 double crochet in one stitch and then 2 double crochet stitches into the next stitch till the end and we would complete this round. Now for the fourth round we would change the color of yarn, make a slip stitch of this yarn and then we would join it by making a slip stitch into the third chain with this yarn. Now cut this red color yarn make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Then into this same chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, including first 3 chain. Here are 3 double crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, make chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third one, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3, repeat this process and complete this round. Now make chain 1, make a slip stitch into the third chain, we have to work in this middle stitch, so make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch also. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make double crochet 1 into the same second stitch and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now in this chain 1 space right here between these stitches, make a single crochet stitch, and now we would work in this middle double crochet stitch of these 3 stitches, make 3 double crochet stitches into it, then we would make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Now again work into the second double crochet stitch in these 3 stitches, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 and make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. So this is our process for this 5th round, completed till the end. And now in the end we would make a slip stitch into the third chain right here. So make a slip stitch into this third chain. Now we would work into the middle double crochet stitch again, so make a slip stitch into it and then make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, make double crochet 1 into the same stitch, double crochet 2, then double crochet 3 and double crochet 4, including first 3 chains. Here are a total of 5 double crochet stitches. Now we would work into the next middle double crochet stitch, which is second stitch in these 3 stitches, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5, again work into the middle double crochet stitch, which is second stitch in the next 3 double crochet stitches, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. In this way, complete this round by making 5 double crochet stitches in every second stitch. Now in the end, make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch and then into the next double crochet stitch, which is third and middle stitch in these 5 stitches. Make 3 chains, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 in this same stitch, including first 3 chains, total of 5. Now make a single crochet in the space between these 5 double crochet stitches. Now go into the third double crochet stitch again, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5. Then we would make a single crochet in the space between these 2 panels of 5 double crochet stitches. Now work into the next third double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then double crochet 5, and then a single crochet after these 5 double crochet stitches space. So complete this round till the end with the same process. I have made a slip stitch into the chain 3 already. Now make a slip stitch into the second double crochet and then into the third double crochet stitch, and now we would start working from here. Make 3 chains which will be counted as a stitch, then make second double crochet stitch including chain 3, then double crochet 3 and double crochet 4 into the same third stitch. Now make 2 chains, then into the same stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. Now we would make this same shell stitch into the next third double crochet stitch in the panel of 5 stitches. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then 2 chains, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4. So make these shell stitches in every third double crochet stitch in 5 stitches. Now we would make a single crochet border on this lace doily with this red color yarn again. So we would make a slip stitch into the third chain, with this red color yarn. So join this yarn. Now make chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch and then into the fourth stitch. After that we have chain 2 space. In this chain 2 space make single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3. Now make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch after chain 2 space, then into the next one make a single crochet, then into the next stitch make a single crochet, and in this way we would make single crochet stitches in every double crochet stitch of shell stitch, and in chain 2 space 3 single crochet stitches till the end. I have completed all single crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet stitch of this round, pull the yarn, then just cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave these yarn ends with the help of tapestry needle or yarn needle. So I have woven all the yarn ends as well, and our beautiful lace doily pattern with shell stitch is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. So give it big thumbs up if you like.